Welcome to Python Objects. Previously, we learned about classes. Today, we'll see objects, initialization, assigning one object to another, assigning attributes on the fly, and deleting objects. An object is a real-life entity with properties and behavior, an instance of a class. But in Python, everything is an object. An integer is an object, so is a function, and even modules are objects. This means everything can have attributes and methods and also can be assigned to a variable, passed to a function, or even returned from it. In Python, all functions, modules, classes, and even custom objects are first-class objects. To initialize objects, a language like C++ or Java has constructors. Python has the Init Magic method. Whenever you create an object for a class, it calls up this method. Fruit is a class. For this, Init initializes the attributes color and shape from the values it gets when creating an object. Every method gets the self parameter, so it knows to handle this object. Method sayHi prints the color and shape of the object. Now orange is a fruit that's orange and round. It calls sayHi, and this prints hi, I'm orange and round. Even if you forget to define init, Python does it for you with its default version of it. This is class person. Method sayHi prints hi. Maddie is a person. She says hi. You can also call an object anything. With the assignment operator, Maddie is now also Liv. The two names share the same ID and the same hash value as well. Now, if we delete Liv, Maddie still exists. And if we delete Maddie, Liv still exists. There may be times when an object needs an attribute, but other objects don't need it. So we can simply define it for that particular object that needs it. For the object orange, size is 7. No other object cares about the size. On the fly, we can also assign attributes to the entire class itself. The size for each fruit is now 7. And finally, we can also delete objects with the del keyword. Delete orange. What is orange now? Sorry, not defined. And that's what an object looks like. Next, let's see how classes can inherit content from other classes.